This 2018 Ford F-550 flatbed is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. Clean F-550 4X49FT flatbed one owner clean Carfax, comes fully serviced with all our record on Carfax, still has factory powertrain train warranty till 100K, G&M, number 039, S ready to pull whatever you got? Call for more info. We've got the right financing terms for you or your business. MECHANICALGVWR, 18,000 lbs payload package 50, state emission system 78 amp/HR750 maintenance-free battery W/rundown protection trailer wiring harness HD shock absorbers front and rear anti-roll bars firm suspension 40-gallon fuel tank single stainless steel exhaust dual rear wheels front suspension W/coil springs leaf rear suspension W/leaf springs upfitter switches EXDERIOR clear coat paint black fender flares black side windows trim and black front windshield trim aluminum panels front splash guards front license plate bracket cab clearance lights VNTERTAINMENT fixed antenna INT